Today we are going to do a
Welcome back.
recipe video. We are going to show you how we prepare chicken breast fry. So friends, these are the ingredients: salt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garam masala, this is Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, methi and curd.
This curd, you can see.
Now let's mix all the ingredients and make it into a paste. So let's mix all the ingredients.
What are you?
The methi,
Methi,
the little coriander powder,
little coriander powder,
now 3 spoons of Kashmiri chili powder, now let's add curd. Three spoons. Now let's add 1 more spoon of curd.
chicken.
Yes, that is chicken. Now our mixer is ready, friends. Let's apply it on the chicken.
Let's apply it on the chicken. Let's apply masala on the chicken.
As per your taste, you can add the masala. If it is more spicy, they will don't eat. So we used Kashmiri chili powder. We use the same masala even to do barbecue.
Say masala to barbecue.
Yes, the same masala we do barbecue. After applying the masala, we will refrigerate it for 30 minutes. If we are doing barbecue, we will keep it for 4 hours. Now it's all set.
Now it's all set. Now let's keep it in the refrigerator.
Now let's keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now let's switch on the stove.
On the down. Then I got to make.
Pour oil.
For oil.
just for flavor. Just putting the curry leaves on the to get some flavor. Now let's keep the chicken pieces on the pan. Our chicken breast has started frying. Keep it in low flame. Now let's flip it to the other side. Let it slowly get cooked. Looks like it's almost done. Yummy chicken kebab is getting ready. Now let's transfer it to another plate. So friends, now let's taste it. Let me taste.
Yummy.
Friends, really tasty. You need to try. We can't stop eating. So friends, if you like our video, please like it, subscribe it and comment. So we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
See you in the next video. Bye.